Hello, my name is Catherine Breath, and I am applying for this grant in order to provide my students with this resource called Boom Cards in my first grade classroom. One problem that is constantly needed addressed in the classroom is meeting all the needs of the students. Students learn in so many different ways, such as visual, auditory, reading, writing, verbal, and now through technology. As a teacher who has 20 plus students, I need to find a strategy that works for each student. Technology has become so prominent in our everyday lives, and using it in the classroom has helped meet the needs of more students. One of the most significant advantages of using technology, such as Chromebooks and resources available on them, in my first grade class is the ability to differentiate my instruction. Technology allows teachers to assign specific tasks and programs based on a student's abilities, ensuring that each child receives appropriate support tailored to their needs. Thankfully, I work in a district that is one-to-one with Chromebooks for all students K through 12. Having the access to these Chromebooks allows us to meet the needs of the students and provide them with the opportunity to learn through different tools and resources. I am asking for funding towards a technology program called Boom Cards. Using Boom Cards in the classroom can help address the problem that I mentioned earlier, meeting the needs of all students and providing differentiation. Using a technology resource like Boom Cards, I am able to provide students with another learning strategy to help them understand the skills being taught. What is Boom Cards and how is it used during a lesson? Boom Cards is essentially an interactive PowerPoint slide presentation. These self-checking interactive task cards are highly effective for reinforcing a wide range of first grade standards. Boom Cards are especially beneficial because they offer instant feedback, which helps students understand mistakes and correct them independently. As a teacher who would love to use Boom Cards during a lesson in her first grade classroom, I would use them as an independent practice after whole group or small group learning was done. This would not take place of the actual teaching of the lesson. Using Boom Cards is another learning strategy that helps meet the needs of more students. After teaching the students the skill and completing a curriculum-based provided worksheet, I would use Boom Cards as an independent practice on the skill. First, the teacher will have to show the students how to navigate this website. As the teacher, I would use the I do, we do, you do method to ensure that the students understand how to access and navigate this resource. I would show the students how to get on the website and work through the deck with them only watching me. After a few lessons where I think they are ready to use it, students will get on their Chromebooks and we'll go through step by step together, getting on the website and working through the deck. Once students are showing an understanding, I will let them work on their own. As a teacher, I would monitor the room and help the students who are still struggling. Once the students are ready to work independently, they will log into their account and click on the deck that their teacher has assigned. Once they are in, they can read the directions or click on the speaker to hear the directions for each page. This is a great feature of Boom Cards because it helps those students who may still be struggling with reading still complete the task independently. For a specific lesson on telling time, the students will have to match the digital clock to the analog clock and are not able to move on to the next slide until it is done correctly. As the students move through the slides, they are asked to type the time matching the analog clock and move the hands to the correct spot on the analog clock. Once the students are done, it will tell them that they are finished, take them back to the home page where they can complete any other decks that the teacher has assigned or move on to their next task. Boom Cards provides a summary of how students do on the activity. This is so helpful to the teacher and allows them to see how the students are working independently on the assigned skill. By using this summary, the teachers can pull students one-on-one who did poorly and reteach them on the skill. Beyond that, Boom Cards can also be used to strengthen any other standard that needs to be met, like phonics, reading, sight words, shapes, graphs, and more. There are already pre-made slides available to buy, or you can even create your own based on a specific skill. Teachers can easily differentiate by assigning specific decks based on a student's individual needs. Because they are self-paced and accessible through a Chromebook, Boom Cards are perfect for center, small group rotations, and independent practice. In conclusion, it is evident how important technology has become in the classroom and how important it is for teachers to provide it to their students so they're able to meet their learning needs. Using a resource like Boom Cards allows the teachers to meet the needs of their students by providing them work that they will have to do anyways through a fun and engaging tool. Boom Cards is not centered around one subject, but rather a wide range of standards. This shows how versatile this resource is and how beneficial it would be in the classroom to help students reach their best potential.